This is code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries, the physical computing unit. I'm on the lesson about the accelerometer. Let's see what we're doing. Roll. This program should display left or right on the screen depending on which way the board is tilted. Okay, and they're talking about the roll, so that I believe is like this, is when it goes up and down like that. Do this. Use the roll property of the accelerometer to determine whether the board is tilted to the left or right. Use the condition to change the text for a direction element to be either left or right depending on the board's orientation. Alright, use a condition. So a condition must be an if statement. And if it's going to be left or right, we're going to need a two-step one here. Right? So a condition, because if checks a condition, it does something on the condition that. And what do we want the condition to be? Well, we saw in the last level them do something like this. They use the term, let's see if we have it. Oh, look at this. We have it. They used accelerometer, get orientation, and I think we're going to need a math term. So, if the accelerometer's orientation, or if the accelerometer get orientation, now which one are we looking at? Roll. Okay? Now, if the roll is what? What do we need? Well, if the roll is greater than, is less than 0, right? If it's less than 0, then it would be leaning towards the left, as we explored earlier and saw. So if the roll is less than 0, the accelerometer.getOrientationRoll, and what that's doing is grabbing the movement data from the accelerometer on our board and returning it. And so if it's a negative, it must be leaning towards the left. So if it's less than 0, what do we want to do? We want it to say left here. So we will need to set property. What's this property called? It's called direction. So what I want to do, I want to set direction, and I want to change its text. What do I want to change it to? I want to change it to left. Okay? And then, what do I want to do if it's the other way? So if it's going to the right, to the left, I want it to say left. Else, so all the other times, what do I want it to say? I want it to say right. So if it's not going towards the left, we're going to do the same thing here. Direction, set text, and we want it to say right. Alright, let's give this a try. Run. And so it's running right away because if the accelerometer gets any data, and what's it doing? Oh, well, it's not less than 0. So what automatically happens then is it will display right for us. So now let's start moving it though. Boom. Now let's, right? So if I lift up this side, right, and this side, left, and this side, right, boom, 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 boom. Perfect. Just what we wanted. So this would be the left side in the air, and this is the right side in the air. Awesome. Let's keep going.